Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can unfollow someone on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just find the person that you want to unfollow, and next to you got a message, you got add friend, like that you are friends, and three dots here, or you can simply click here and then you're gonna see follow. That's something that I have, and I'm going to click here again on next to the message, unfollow. Or you can simply click take a break. And now you can see less of follow. And you can also limit what people will see. You can hide posts from this guy, from my friend, but I'm not going to do that. That's like really my really good friend. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, and I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, see ya and goodbye.